Lantern Pizza Company is a Neapolitan style pizza. And what that means is that it's got a very high oven temperature and it's got a very fast bake. So vegetables specifically don't have a lot of time to whisk off or evaporate a lot of their moisture. So I want to make sure that the moisture from the vegetables is cooked off even before it gets to this line. What I'm going to do here, take my pad, put it in the bottom, but I'm also going to use a slotted spoon. Again, the pads are going to be a tool that you're adding to your toolbox. You're still going to use colanders, slotted spoons, strainers, perforated pans, but these pads at the bottom help get that last bit of moisture and keep it away from the vegetables and then keep it away from our pizza. So we have a nice dry pizza, which is what our guests expect.